Hello friends, types of matrices. Subscribe AK Easy Maths. The type of matrices: 1 row matrix, 2 column matrix, 3 zero matrix, 4 square matrix, 5 diagonal matrix, 6 unit matrix, 7 triangular matrix, subdivision A upper triangular matrix and B lower triangular matrix, 8 scalar matrix, 9 transpose of matrix, 10 equality of matrix, 11 negative of a matrix, 12 multiplication of a matrix by scalar, and 13 rectangular matrix. Row matrix. A row matrix has only one row but any number of columns. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. For example, A equal to minus 1 by 2, square root of 5, 2 and 3. Is row matrix of order 1 by 4. In general, A equal to Aij 1 by n is row matrix of order 1 by n. A matrix said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. ஒரே ஒரு row மட்டும் இருக்கணும் and many number of column இருந்துச்சுன்னா இதை வந்து row matrix அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். That means Aij 1 by n. 1 அப்படின்றது இங்கே ரோவை குறிக்கும். n அப்படின்றது என்னென்னா many number of column. 1 by n is the order of the matrix. Example of row matrix: n equal to 3, 10, minus 1. The row matrix have only one row, many number of column. This is a example of row matrix. Column matrix. A matrix which has exactly one column is called the column matrix. Only one column and many number of row. For example, the column matrix A equal to 7 minus 1. இப்போ ஏவோட மேட்ரிக்ஸில் காலம் ஒன்லி ஒன் காலம் இருக்குது, 2 ரோ இருக்குது. அப்போ 2 by 1 is a 2 rows, only one column. And B1 is 907, only one column. ரோ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 இருக்குது. அப்போ 3 by 1. This matrix is an example of column matrix. Zero or null matrix. A matrix is said to be zero matrix or null matrix if all its elements are 0. For example, A equal to 0. The next matrix 0, 0, 0 and third one is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All are zeros matrix of order 1, 2 and 3 respectively. We denote the zero matrix by 0. ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆல் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஜீரோவாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை ஜீரோ மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கிடுவோம். The zero matrix or null matrix example: the zeros just everywhere. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is a zero matrix. This is an example of zero matrix. Square matrix. A square matrix has the number of columns equal to the number of rows. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is said to be a square matrix. Thus, an m by n matrix is said to be a square matrix if m equal to n and is known as the square matrix of order n. ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸில் equal number of rows and equal number of columns, that means row and columns are equal இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை ஸ்கொயர் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் A equal to 3 minus 1, 0, 3 divided by 2, square root of 3 divided by 2, 1, 4, 3 and minus 1 is a square matrix of order 3. In general, A equal to Aij, m by m is the square matrix of order m. A square matrix has the same number of rows as column. 2, 0, 1, 8. So this is a square matrix of 2 rows and 2 columns. Also 6, 4, 24, 1, minus 9, 8, 3, 0, 7. Also square matrix 3 rows or 3 columns. This is an example of square matrix. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix all of whose elements except those in the leading diagonal or 0 is called the diagonal matrix. Leading main diagonal value la only number present ஆயிருக்கும், remaining elements 0 ஆயிருக்கும். This is called the square matrix. The example A11 0 0 0 A22 0 0 0 ANN. This is the leading main diagonal A11 A22 ANN is presented. The diagonal matrix has 0 anywhere not on the main diagonal. That means 2 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 1. This is a diagonal matrix. Example of diagonal matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. A square matrix in which all elements in the leading diagonal are 1 and the other elements are 0 is called the unit matrix. For example, unit matrix or identity matrix, the A equal to 1 0 0 1 or B equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is a is a 2 by 2 matrix, example of identity, and this is a B is a 3 by 3 matrix, example of identity. Upper triangular matrix. In an upper triangular matrix, the elements located below the diagonal are 0. The leading main diagonal place la below 0 present ஆகி above the value number present ஆயிருச்சுன்னா this is called the upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. In a lower triangular matrix, the elements above the diagonal are 0. That means in the leading diagonal, below the value number presented and above the value 0 presented is called the lower triangular matrix. The triangular matrix. The lower triangular is when all the entries above the main diagonal are 0. The main diagonal value above value number 0. Lower places number presented is called the lower triangular matrix. 5 0 0 2 1 0 7 6 minus 3. This is the example of lower triangular matrix. The upper triangular matrix is when all the entries below the main diagonal are 0. The leading main diagonal above the value number presented below the value 0 is called the upper triangular matrix. This is an example of upper triangular matrix. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix in which the diagonal elements are equal. Aij equal to k and Aij equal to 0 for I not equal to j, where k is a scalar. Then A equal to 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. That means 2 take common. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. K equal to 2. So leading diagonal value same value இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை scalar matrix அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். That means a diagonal matrix in which the diagonal elements are equal. All are equal. எல்லா diagonal value equal இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை scalar matrix அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Also, a scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which the diagonals elements are equal. 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. The diagonal value is equal to 2. That means this is called the scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. A scalar matrix has all main diagonal entries the same with 0 everywhere else. That means 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. This is an example of the scalar matrix. The transpose of an m by n matrix A is denoted A transpose with order n by m and denoted by A transpose of Aij equal to A of Ji. matrix A transpose is obtained by the transposing, that means exchanging the rows and column of the A matrix. Example, given the matrix 6 0 minus 2 minus 2 10 9. This is a given transpose of matrix. The interchanging the rows 6 0 minus 2 minus 2 10 9. That means transpose of matrix on even number of times and you get the original. That means A transpose of transpose equal to A. A transpose matrix on odd number of times and Y, get the transpose matrix A transpose of transpose equal to A transpose. The transpose of any square diagonal matrix is the matrix itself. That means 3 0 0 0 minus 2 0 0 0 6 transpose. The answer is 3 0 0 0 minus 2 0 0 0 6. A transpose is where we swap entries across the main diagonal. Rows become columns like this. 6 4 24 1 minus 9 8. The transpose of matrix will get the answer 6 4 24 1 minus 9 8. The main diagonal stays the same. Matrix equality. For two matrices to be equal, they must have number 1 the same dimension, number 2 the corresponding elements must be equal. In other words, says that A n by m is equal to Aij and that the B cross Q equal to Bij. Then A equal to B if and only if n equal to B, m equal to Q and Aij equal to Bij for all I and j in range. That means இதோட டைமென்ஷன் வந்து சேமாக இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா கரஸ்பாண்டிங் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் மஸ்ட் பி இதை ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கணும். இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஈக்குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் நம்ம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம். The two matrices A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij are equal if have the same order Aij equal to Bij for every I and j. For example, 0.5 square root of 9 1 by 4 7 left side இருக்கக்கூடிய மேட்ரிக்ஸில் இருக்குது. The same right side matrix 1 by 2 3 0.25 7. Since both matrices are the order 2 by 2 and all corresponding entries are the equal. The equality of matrix, two matrices are equal if they have the same dimension or order and the corresponding elements are identical. Matrix P and Q are equal. Matrix A and B are not equal because the dimension of or order is different. We can use the equality of matrix to solve the variables. Negative of a matrix. Let A equal to Aij be a m by n matrix. The negative of the matrix A is the m by n matrix B equal to Bij such that Bij equal to minus Aij for all I comma j. The negative of A is written as minus A. A அப்படின்ற ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸை மைனஸ் A அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். For example, if A equal to 1 4 0 3 minus 5 9 7 2 8, then minus A equal to minus 1 minus 4 0 minus 3 5 minus 9 minus 7 minus 2 minus 8. This is an example of negative of matrix. The term scalar multiplication refers to the product of a real number and a matrix. In scalar multiplication, each entry in the matrix is multiplied by a given scalar. For example, given that A equal to 10, 6, 4, 3. Let's find the 2A. To find the 2A, simply multiply each matrix entry by 2. That means 2A equal to 2 dot 10, 6, 4 and 3. The answer is 2.10, 2.6, 2.4, 2.3. The answer will get 20, 12, 8 and 6. Multiply a matrix by a scalar. -3 5 -5 0 12 ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இருக்குது. இது எப்படி ஸ்கேலார் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்? தட் மீன்ஸ் -3.5 -3 -5 -3.0 -3.12. The answers will get -3 into 5 equal to -15, -3 into -5 plus 15, -3 into 0 0, -3 into 12 -36. Rectangular matrix. A matrix is said to be a rectangular matrix if the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. For example, A equal to 3 minus 1 0, 3 by 2 square root of 3 divided by 2 1, 4 3 minus 1 7 by 2 2 minus 5 is a matrix of order 4 by 3. இதோட ஆர்டர்ஸ் வந்து ரோ அண்டு காலம் ஈக்குவலாக இல்லாமல் இருக்கணும். அதான் ரெக்டாங்குலர் ஆஃப் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். The rectangular matrix, a matrix of order m by n, is in which m by n, m not equal to n, is called the rectangular matrix. For example, the rectangular matrix A equal to 3 minus 1, 2 by 1, 2 rows 1 column. A matrix இருக்கு equal அல்ல. And B is equal to 5 3 9, 2 minus 7 10, 2 rows 3 column இருக்கு. அதனால இது equal அல்ல. Rectangular row and column equal அல்ல. So this is called the rectangular matrix. Then C equal to 2 1 7 2 minus 1 1, 3 rows 2 column இருக்கு. Rows and columns equal இல்ல. This is called the rectangular of matrix. So ABC are the example of rectangular matrix. Thank you.